Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup and fashion are a passion. Now, today I'm going to be showing you some of my novelty bags. I can't find all of them, but I'm showing you some of them. It's not that big of a collection, though. So let's start off with this one, which is the 8 ball. Not 8 ball, I'm sorry. 7 ball for pool. And that's how it looks. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. No, I can't open it with one hand. So let's move on to the football. I say basketball. You can tell I don't play sports. So here's the football. Turn it around. This is where you open it at the top. See if I can open this with one hand. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to open it with one hand. Alright. Moving on. First, let me say that this one here is one of my favorite ones out of all the novelty bags. It's small, but yet very pretty. And it makes you think of a pool hall. So that's my favorite one, this one. Alright, moving on. We have this one, which several people text me about, asking me, was it a real basketball that had been turned into a purse? No, it isn't. It's just a basketball that's been made. It's just a purse made to look like a basketball. But it is pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Cute as heck. Alright. Now this one I got from Aldo. And it's dice. Now, I do believe this one I got it for a discount. Okay, so like, I forget the real price of it. All I know is that it came with a scratch on it. I'm trying to see if I can find it now. Not scratch. Okay. See if you can see that. That area right there. Right there. It came with a stain on it. So they gave me a discount. And I think I got like a 20% discount. But as you go along, there were more marks on the back. I just can't seem to find them. Yeah, there was more marks on the back. So I got an additional 10% like that. So altogether it came out to about 25%. And I have yet to wear it. But it is nice, isn't it? Alright, now moving on. Get some light over here. Alright. This is the one where I got 2 of them. One I gave to my mom and this one I kept. Now this is Everly, so cute. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. I'm trying, y'all. That one hand seems to be so not working. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. Alright, next is the pineapple. This is so cute. I thought I bought a shirt to match it, our dress, but I don't think I did because I can't seem to find one. So now I know I'm gonna order an outfit to match this and some shoes to match it. Gives me the great excuse because most of the time I start off buying the handbags and then I design. Well, then I fashion my fashion around the handbag itself. So, but this is nice. Okay, moving on. Now everybody's seen this one. The Michael Jordan looking handbag with the number 23. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it's the size of a medium basketball, which means it's enough room to put a lot of stuff in there. But that's what it looks like. Okay, next is my little milkshake bag. That's how it looks. With the straw. Let me see if I can open this. Alright, I was able to open it with one hand. Wasn't that hard. That's how it looks on the inside. Top of the lid. As you see, it's a straw. I think I got one more like this. Let me see if I can find it. Alright. So I got this one through Auto. And it was regular price. I think it was on sale. So not regular price, but it was on sale. There's nothing wrong with this one as far as I could see. See if I can open this with one hand. Oh, come on. Yeah, this is not gonna let me open it with one hand. But it's very pretty. Alright, so moving on. I have my Betsey Johnson bag. Isn't that cute? Let me pick it up better than this. This is how it looks like. It's so cute. It comes with a shoulder strap. As they said, crossbody strap. And that's how it looks on the inside. Let me see. Turn some light on. Right, that's how it looks on the inside. Lipstick. Lips. Yeah, I don't know what this bag is called, but it's really cute. I haven't worn it in almost 2 years because I have so many bags. Alright, now these two were birthday presents. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. No, I'm not going to be able to open them. Not this one, at least. And this is how it looks. See, I've never worn it. The plastic is still on it. Isn't that pretty? It's inspired by, and we know what it's inspired by. But isn't that cute? That is so pretty. Alright, my last but not my least, as they would say, is this one. Also inspired by. And this too was a birthday gift. Let's see if I can turn it. And as you can see, there's a chain on it, which can be used crossbody. Now, I'm yet to learn if I've had this one for like 2 years also. Let's see. Alright, and so you can shorten it, the chain, so you can put it on your shoulders, or you can wear it crossbodied. These are really nice. So as you can see, these are all my novelty bags, and I'm really enjoying them. Well, some of them I have enjoyed, and some of them I have not to wear. The football, the basketball ones, and the pineapple I have yet to wear. I gotta buy outfits that'll go along with it. But other than that, you have a good night, good afternoon, or good day, depending on when you're watching this, and God bless. Bye.